Ladies and gentlemen and vector designers. So we've got some tutorials that we're going to do, and for those tutorials we need to make this look like a little bit different. So the first thing I want you to do is that, like, this is the right here, we're currently in the essentials layout. There's different layouts you can do, but I want you to change it to the essentials classic. It's going to make it look like an older version of Illustrator. This is what kind of the older version looks like, and so this is going to be more compatible with the tutorial. So do that first, but just recognize that probably after this we probably need to switch it back to essentials, just because this is kind of the default setting, and this is what we're going to do from here on out. But these tutorials that are upcoming next require that you go up here and go to Essentials Classic. Okie doke. And the next thing I want you, well, that's it.